Hello, I'm John. I'm the art director in the marketing department of America First Credit Union. I'm here at the Ogden Christmas Village in front of the house that America First sponsors. This year we put together an all-new scene inside the house and made updates to the outside too. In this video, we want to take you behind the scenes of what we did to create this Christmas scene from scratch. So we decided this year to come up with something new for the Christmas Village because we had had the same design for a number of years. We removed the old snowflakes and we gave it a new fresh coat of paint on the interior and exterior. So the first step of coming up with the new ideas, brainstorming and coming up with new concepts. We thought it would be fun to incorporate the characters, some snowman characters. The scene is set with a family of snowmen, a mom and dad and 2 kids, in a night scene in a forest that we call Snowy Book Forest. So after the final concept sketch was put together, we mocked up the scene in 3D space. That really helped visualize the whole process and helped us plan out exactly the size of the materials and how they would work in the space. So having never carved foam before, there's a bit of a learning curve with the tools and the best way of going about this. But once we got the initial block in of the side and the front of the characters, then it was a matter of sculpting out the details, and it actually ended up being a lot of fun. And we're really happy with the final results of how everything came together, all the carved sculptures and the illustration and animation and just the scene as a whole. So I just wanted to give a big thanks to the entire marketing department for chipping in, and everybody from the carving and painting and doing the outside of the house. It was a real team effort and I think it came together great. We're glad to be a part of the magic of Ogden Christmas Village, and we invite you to come experience it as well.